Last time we tried to create hot water system. Right. There is one boiler and associated. What is the family name? Idiot. Let's resolve that problem. Let's take boiler again and place it. And let's just reorient. Select and space. Why reorient? Because supply and return both are at the same on the same view, so it is difficult to create. So I just reorient the boiler. Let's create one pipe or row pipe. Let's go to section. Let's distinguish supply and return line, right, with color. How to distinguish? For that, select that pipe particular. Press tab until you will get one boundary. You can see, and then again click. The property will be changed. Now you can see piping system is hydronic supply. The top is our supply. So here you can let's edit our graphics override. So we can have a in form of color. Let's supply, so it is red. Okay. To visualize, now you can see it is a reddish line. This is supply. Now for the return, same way, click on that, press tab until you will get the boundary of the boiler. Now again click, left click. Now hydronic return, go to edit. Let's provide color blue. Right. Let's extend it. Graphically it is date time. Let's extend it. let's okay. Let's go to our planning. Is a previous one, there is a current, right? Let's connect. The procedure is the same. Select our radiator, right? Connect to, it will ask for the supply or return. Let's supply. Same way. Connect to. Now it is asking for a supply. These are supply. Let's remove the system, it is not required. Check chair body. Let's connect our return system. Select equipment, connect to some element trying to connect the assigned system. Use for different. Previously we have assigned that system to other piping system, that's why it's created. No problem. Let's assign it. Right now the return system, now you can see there is a, we require to close it at the end. So select the piping and cap end, close the end. Let's see our flow, how it is the supply the flow. For that select the pipe, click on system inspector, now inspect. Now you can see the flow as in the form of arrow. Now we have closed it down at the end, so the flow cannot go over there, beyond that. Now you can see this is actually return, so it is a returning. Now when we hover over your that is a cursor, you can see the flow rate, pressure loss toward the pipe. Is a return system. Let's check our supply system. First finish, select, go to inspect, again inspect. Now you can see supply. This shows error because at the time of connection it's cannot distinguish, so we can change it by removing and connect again, because this is the supply. You can see this supply. Right, this is a hot water system. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, what was you?